Now, I'd like to talk about how to assign tax codes in customer and supplier. First, go to customer, maintain customer, and you will see a list of customer names and of course his phone number and addresses. For most customers, you are not required to do any setting. The only exception is when the customer, let's say it's located in Tioman, Labuan and Langkawi, which is tax-free, or for example this customer over here, it's a foreign country customer and you export to them and they fall under 0 rated for exports. So you can edit and assign a tax code to it, and if you do so, then all the documents that is associated with these clients will be 0 rated. Now you probably will ask the question, but you already have set it to standard rated or TX in the stock item earlier. What will happen? The system is smart enough to know that regardless, the priority is always under customer and supplier first, secondary under stock item. So now we have this US based customer and we sell them an item that are already preset to standard rated. Still, the system understands the priority falls under customer tax code as well as supplier tax code, and therefore give it a 0 rated. There will be no tax calculation in this case. A simple reversal where I choose a different customer and I choose back the same stock item, automatically the system now begin to calculate tax, as you can see here.